Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to update your Fire TV to the latest software updates. It's very straightforward, very easy. But before I go straight to the video, please, if you like our videos, if you found value from them, please subscribe to our channel so that when newer videos like this come out, you get updated on them. So you come straight to your settings. In your settings, you come to my Fire TV, and when you get to my Fire TV, you come straight to about, and then from about you get information on your Fire TV. After getting information on your Fire TV, you come here and you do something. You check for updates, and you check for updates. You see that last update was checked on Monday, November 18. Your Fire TV is up to date. So my Fire TV is up to date, but if yours is not up to date, it will basically bring out a notification, and then it tells you to really update it. So I think that's how to update your Fire TV. If you found value, please do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Have a great day.